Let's see what is the difference between batch OS versus time-sharing OS. A batch operating system executes a group of jobs together without requiring user interaction. A time-sharing operating system allows multiple users to interact with the system simultaneously. Batch operating system does not allow users to communicate directly with the system during execution. Time-sharing operating system allows users to communicate directly with the system during execution. Batch operating system processes one batch of jobs at a time. Time-sharing operating system allocates a small time slice of the CPU to each user or process. Batch operating system generally has a higher response time because jobs wait in a queue. Time-sharing operating system provides a lower response time by offering quick feedback to users. Batch operating system executes jobs sequentially according to the scheduling order. Time-sharing operating system enables multiple tasks to run concurrently through rapid CPU switching. Batch operating system is mainly used for large-scale and repetitive data processing tasks. Time-sharing operating system is mainly used for interactive and multi-user environments. Batch operating system utilizes system resources efficiently but does not provide immediate results to users. Time-sharing operating system optimizes resource utilization while providing immediate user responses. Batch operating system has a relatively simple design and is easier to manage. Time-sharing operating system has a more complex design due to multitasking and scheduling requirements. Batch operating system is commonly used in payroll processing and bank statement generation systems. Time-sharing operating system is commonly represented by Unix, Linux, and modern Windows operating systems. Batch operating system offers efficient processing of large volumes of similar jobs. Time-sharing operating system offers fast and interactive access to multiple users. Batch operating system does not provide immediate user interaction or feedback. Time-sharing operating system requires additional overhead to manage multiple users and processes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.